Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 69. Here's the last deal for auction. There's Edmonton. So the number on the box is N8189529815. Let's get on with the break. Good luck, everybody. Start with the base card for the Avalanche of Joe Sakic, 358 out of 399. We have an Ultimate Rookies for the Stars of Thomas Vincoeur, 310 out of 399. Nice hit here for the Sabres. It's an autographed dual patch card of Thomas Vanek, short print 9 out of 10. Thomas Vanek, 9 out of 10. And then to finish it off, we have an Ultimate Jerseys for the Avalanche of Matt Duchene, 60 out of 100, Matt Duchene. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.